Take a look into the mirror. Following your heart puts a silence to the fear. And you deserve it. You deserve it. Rainy season's gonna go. Now your seeds can grow. Imagine that. You deserve it.
Up the phone, little darling, I got a bit to say. I'm speaking from the heart, I pray it doesn't ricochet. I know your guard is up, distance makes this hard enough. I hope that I can ask for you to listen.
So this is the baby room. This is how it looks, and this is the size that we are dealing with. And you saw me install this light fixture. I love how it looks when it's lit, you guys. Look at that. Yeah, and obviously we are going to be changing this curtain. And here is the baby cot that I love, by the way. I love this baby cot, and I'm thinking of painting this color, this gray color, to the accent wall. Got this one from Peekaboo because I know I will obviously get that question. And then I got the mattress as well, and this mattress is nice. This is Silent Night. Didn't come with the cot, so bought that candle. And then we have the rocking chair over here. This one we got it during the sale, the Furniture Palace sale, but I think the sale is still on. You will see it when we start organizing. And then here is the dresser, and I love that the base of the dresser and the knobs go really well with this one. This one is from Wood Factory, and I love that it's easy to open and close. They put this thingy and it's deep. It's not that big because we still have other storage areas in this room. Like here, we still have all this room for her clothes. I'm not going to be storing anything else here apart from her clothes. These are her clothes. They have already been organized. Not organized, they have already been loaded. We have loaded them already. And then on this side we have place to hang the hanger boards. This one didn't come with the house, by the way. We only had this one rod, but since her clothes are not that long, I decided to install another one over here. So we have 2 rods for that, and all that space to hang the hanger boards. So yeah, that's it. I will start by cleaning the dresser because we want to fold the clothes and to do a couple of other things in this house. I will keep you updated.
Take a look out the window. Spirit goes up as the rain falls down. I've been sailing on the wrong course, keeping it together like I did before. Think that I've said this a few times. Even with that, has it ever felt right? I swear that this has happened every moment. Can I just be honest? I was only wondering if maybe we could take it to a different conversation. Things will get uncomfortable, but only if we make it. I just wanna say that, but you'd rather take it all back. Although you are sunlight, you stay in the shade. I'm dancing in a corner just to get a space, cause I wanna believe that. Ooh, I get lost, you go with your day. Slowly getting closer, but you're moving away. I know it's just a recap, but I'm sure you'll never see that. Rather take it all back. Maybe it's time to get home. Think that it's going a little too far, even after all the white noise. Oh, I still wanted to restart. Give while you're taking my time. It feels like I'm patiently waiting in line. So can we ever have another moment? Can you just be honest? I was only wondering if maybe we can take it to a different conversation. Things will get uncomfortable, but only if we make it. I just wanna say that. Still, you'd rather take it all back. Although you 'Cause I'm sure you'll never see that. Rather take it all back. Bring it back, bring it back. Oh, I'm sure you'll never see that. Rather take it all back. Bring it back, 'cause I'm sure you'll never see that. Rather take it all back. Bring it back. For you are sunlight, you stay in the shade. Dance at a corner just to get space. 'Cause I wanna believe that. I get lost, you go with your day. Slowly getting closer, but you're moving away. I know it's just a recap, but I'm sure you'll never see that. Rather take it all back.
A little break to remind you to like this video. Please give it a thumbs up and share it out with your friends. It really helps my channel. And also, I know I don't talk a lot within this video, and that is because everything that I did is self-explanatory. I wiped everything down using Dettol because I thought that the other disinfectants would be too strong for baby. I was just being careful, and I did the same for the floors. I added Dettol in hot water because I wanted to steam the floors as well, and I don't have a steamer. So yeah, that is basically everything that I did. And you guys, how cute is this organizer? I really do love it. I really do love it, and I love how this nursery came together, as you will see at the end of this video.
Lazy Sunday mornings, hiding under covers. I don't mind staying in with you. Play your favorite movie, laying right beside me. I don't mind when it's just us two. That corner coffee shop we like to go. Late night walks with you to take me home. With you I never feel alone.
These little songs make me glad to call you mine. And you have got my head in the clouds.
Oh, 1, 2, 3. All that I need is your body next to me on rainy days. Just need your company, don't need too much. Just your simple love and it's everything. The simple joy of hearing your voice every morning. I wake to a kiss on my face. Oh, I don't need too much. Just your simple love and it's everything.
I am done with the nursery after what felt like forever, and I was too tired to film some of the bits with you, so let me just show you everything. We will start with this trolley. On the bottom shelf I have an extra blanket and a flannel, and then on the second shelf, this one is like the breastfeeding station, so I have my pump over there. I have storage bottles as well. I have a nipple cream. I have an extra bra, and I also have breast pads, and then I have this milk collector. So that is everything breastfeeding. And then on the top one is like the changing station. So I have diapers in here, I have wet wipes, I have extra clothes that includes onesies, these are stockings, I have, these are extra flannels for burping, and I have extra socks and mittens and everything else. I have a change of everything on that one, so that one has that. And then on this side we have the dresser. I think you saw me organizing this one, but let me show you. Most of the clothes are not here because they are either in the caddy or in the hospital bag. I've packed some and I don't have a lot of clothes for 0 to 3 months. Anyway, this one, the top one has diapers. This one has diapers, it has wipes, That is diapers and wipes, and this is clothes for 0 to 3. These are onesies and rompers, and then we have vests over here. And then on this one, all these are trousers, these are stockings, and some onesies and rompers for 3 to 6 months, but some can fit a newborn. And then in here we have more socks and bibs and mittens, and then we have t-shirts. That one I'm not going to open. It has clothes that are too big to fit her. This one as well, I think. Yeah, this one has clothes for 6 to 9 months and flannels. So yeah, and then on this side I have this corner shelf, but before then I have the changing station here, and this is an extra marking torch, and this is the changing pad. This one is going to go into the trolley because this one has its marking torch already, so it doesn't need this. But I didn't like the pink, so that is why it's like that. And I decided to put a mirror here, and I think it turned out nice. This is the mirror that I had in the other house. I think I love it here. Yeah, so there is that. And then on this shelf I have serviette over there in case someone needs to dry their hands. I have her pegs, and then this thing that lights up, that is why I put it there, because I think it's cute for a nursery. This one lights up, but it's low on battery, so that is why it is lighting up faintly, but I think it's cute for a nursery. And then this basket is supposed to have her shower items, but I have packed them. I didn't want to buy a lot of mafuta alafu zimkatae, so the ones that I bought are the ones that are in the hospital bag. But we have washcloths and Dettol over there, and then these were in the care kit, so everything that was there is here. Then we have cotton wool on those two, and then on the top shelf we have her first scan and this sky elephant over there. So that is how that one looks. And then on this side we have the laundry bin, and then these are the cuttings that I had in the other house. I cut them to fit both this room and the office. And then we have this rug. I think this rug is super cute, and it goes so well with this gray that is on the baby cot. So yeah, I love it. And then we have the baby cot over here. Obviously this one is moving into our bedroom until she can sleep on her own. I haven't made it because I think it's too early to do that, and I don't want the bedding to get dust. So yeah, there is that. And there is this cup plant. It's too small for this place, but I think it's still doing what it's supposed to do. And then we have the rocking chair over here. This one was from Furniture Palace, I think I mentioned that. And this one was from Peekaboo, the mattress as well. And then this blanket for when it's cold is from my mom. She makes them, by the way. So that's how the nursery looks.
So comfortable, and no one seems to hold me like you do. You're so wonderful. A star could never shine as bright as you. Shine as bright as you.
Done with the nursery now, and I'm super glad that everything is where it's supposed to be. and I am happy about how the nursery turned out to be. I'm yet to dress the walls apart from the one that I put a mirror on. For this wall, I intend to put a name tag over there, and then I will do some other things, but those ones are not important as of now. So that's it. If you watched this video until this point, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, comment on the comment section below, and also share it out with your friends. And if there is a plug that I have forgotten to mention, please ask on the comment section below and I will get back to you, or DM me on Instagram at Terry Kinyua. And by the way, follow me on Instagram at Terry Kinyua. That's that. I don't think there is anything else remaining. I will see you on my next video. Bye.